I live in a shared flat with my childhood besties, my boyfriend and his bestie. So we are 5 people living in this house and we're all pretty busy, so we don't really get to spend a lot of time all together. So the time we all 5 spend together is pretty precious and I was very excited for this day. And it started off with an upper body gym workout, which is always way more fun if you can do it together. We had our struggles, but we also had a pretty good fun. And afterwards we all ate brunch together, which I forgot to film, but it was very delicious. By then it was already afternoon and we spent some time relaxing and just talking before we went out all together to go to the movies, because 3 of us are really big Die Drei Fragezeichen fans, so we needed to check out the movie adaptation to it. And I actually really enjoy going to the movies, also because you tend to focus better than when you watch a movie at home. And obviously there are many good snacks, but for vegans, sadly not that many.
Stickers! Stickers!
And because we were really big marketing outfit, we needed to go to McDonald's. Because us the girlies are very big Friends fans, I probably watch it like 10 times all over, so this was really fun. Even if, again, I as a vegan couldn't get a Happy Meal because they don't have any vegan options in Switzerland. But this was such a fun and relaxing day with all of my lovies.